let's fix it. Go to this PC and you can check the C drive or have a memory space or not. You need a minimum 80 to 100 GB. So now you can see the memory space is too low. So first you need to check this, and after that you need to close it and open the Epic Game Launcher. In this you have go to the download section. You can see the left bottom. Click download settings. In this you can see default install is there. Here you can see it's installing in C drive. Okay, but we not have a C drive with enough space, so we need to do either C drive to 100 GB minimum or else change the location to another drive. Okay, these are the two things you can do. The next step, you need to go to run and need to type the following text: percentage local app data. In this, scroll down and check for Epic Game Launcher. Click it and go to saved, and here you can see the web cache is there. You can delete the web cache. If it's not delete, means the Epic Game Launcher is running in background. So go to task manager and end the task, and you can delete it. So don't panic, it's only delete the caches. So your account will be safe. The account is not logged out or else account data will be safe. And go to crashes, and if there is any inside any crash, means you can delete it. The next step, you need to go to search for services and scroll down the settings, and here you can see the Windows installer service is there. You need to right click it and go to properties. Here you can see the service status is stopped, so it should be in running mode. Give apply and click OK. And once complete, after you need to restart it. After that, close the settings. And the final step, you need to go to this PC, go to C drive and go to the program files, go to Epic Games. If for example which games is not installing, you need to go there and delete that game. In this location it will have, for example, Fortnite is there. So Fortnite is not installing, means you need to go to the Fortnite and delete the folder, and again you need to reinstall it. Thank you.